Hi everyone. So we are solving the problem employee and manager salaries. This question has been asked in a Dropbox interview. It's a medium difficulty question and we'll try to solve it using Python. So we have been asked to find employees who are earning more than their managers and output such employees first name and the salary. Input table given to us is a data is an employee data frame. So this employee data frame has the ID of the employee as well as the ID of the manager, both of it. So we need to do comparison within the same table. So manager, so you have employee and employee salary. Manager ID would also be the employee, so it would also have a value under this ID table, and the corresponding salary would be the manager salary. So just looking at this, the first thing we need to do is we need to do a self join. So we need to self join on ID and manager ID, right? And the second thing we would need to do is compare employee like compare wherever employee salary is greater than manager's salary, and return the corresponding list of employees. Pretty straightforward question. So what I would do is I'd store this in a data frame using the pandas merge function. First, I will self join the employee table. So I just take employee table, left on. I use manager ID on the as a left table. Okay, and I use right on would be just the employee ID. And how do we want to join it? By default it's inner join, so you can even skip specifying this, that we need to use an inner join. Okay, let's run and see what do we get. So we do get a merge table wherein underscore x is all your left side tables. So it what Python does is it automatically appends so underscore suffixes to duplicate columns. Okay, just as you see over here in the hint, under adds underscore x and underscore y suffixes wherever it sees duplicate columns. Now the second thing is filter out rows where salary x is greater than salary y. Okay, so what I do is I would create another data frame df1 and take column where salary underscore x is greater than salary underscore y. Okay, so that's my solution. But just to note, uh, sorry, there's a typo. Df salary underscore x should be greater than df salary underscore y. Okay, we have all the columns. We don't need all the columns. We just need a list of columns. So my list will contain the three columns that is being expected, which is employee's first name. I'll pick that from here. So this would be first name underscore x along with the corresponding salary, and that's it. They just want the corresponding salary. There's no third column needed. So let's just run this. Okay, so I get one employee Richard whose salary is this or 250,000. Let's try to run this, solve. So this is the correct solution. Yep. Thank you.